Cryptocurrency. Aave. Aave. Aave token is an ERC20 token with a snapshot function, which allows governance balance tracking. It also allows gasless transactions in one transaction approval or transfer. Aave is an open source, non-custodial liquidity protocol that earns interest on deposits and borrowed assets. It allows users to manage their own assets without any restrictions from a single person or corporation. If users' funds are stolen, Aave will offer pseudo insurance. Aave supports most Ethereum-based tokens and ERC20 stablecoins, such as USDT, USDC, ZRX, and MKR. Aave Crypto, which began as ETHLend, was first launched on November 30, 2017, to build a lending platform. Then it was renamed Aave when they changed to the liquidity pool model. Aave launched Aave Protocol in 2020.